Hi everyone, this is Allym Jaro and welcome back to my channel. Today, since this is going to be my first video, I decided to do a beauty makeover. So I invited somebody and she is going to do my makeup. And somehow I do have this sheet of questionnaire with me that we are going to ask her later on. So here beside me, let's all welcome from YouTube channel of Makeup and More, and she is also an STSDA mom she's and also my ate. Let's all welcome Pierrejeanofficial. Yay!
Hi guys! Hi! Hello! And what are we going to do this time?
Makeup.
Oh, so I am going to do your makeover, no?
Yes.
Yes. So, siguro yung plano ko sa pagmumukha niya guys, simple lang. Yung parang, andun pa rin yung pagiging teenager niya, / maganda. Pang glam. So, yeah, yun yung gagawin ko sa kanya today. So, yeah. Are we going to start?
Yes. move on to the question. So, basically ate, ano po yung ginagawa nyo sa look ko today?
So, ano yung ginawa ko sa look niya today? Okay, sa sinabi ko na earlier, para siyang chic. Ando dun pa din yung pagiging teenager niya, yung look niya. And of course, may kaunting halo ng glam. So, sinimplihan ko lang talaga guys kasi gusto ko talaga makita nyo yung pagiging teenager niya pa din. Pero papuntang adulthood. Alam niya, parang dalagan-dalaga na, di ba? So, yeah, yun yung ginawa ko sa kanyang pagmumuka, okay?
Gaano mo na katagal nagme-makeup?
Gano'n na ako katagal nagme-makeup? Nung nag-start ako magbanda 2010, yes. So, mga 8 years na ngayon. Oh, ha? Magna 9 years na, di ba? So, yeah.
Congrats.
Wow, thank you.
Third and final question. As a makeup artist, ano ang mapapayo mo sa mga gustong matutong mag-makeup like yung mga kagaya kong teenager?
As a makeup artist guys, yung mapapayo ko lang sa mga baguhan, especially sa mga teenager, please do take good care of your skin first. Know everything about yourself, your face. Dapat alamin nyo guys yung basic muna bago kayo magsimula mag-apply ng kahit anong mga product. Alamin nyo muna yun guys bago kayo bumili ng kahit anong mga makeup. I guess yun lang. And do your own thing. Yeah, do your own thing in your own way. Be authentic. And may question pa?
Wala na.
Akala ko naman ang daming question. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for inviting me on your channel, Allym.
And thank you din.
As in, thank you talaga. Yeah.
And guys, thank you for watching.
Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. See you again on her next vlog.
Bye!
Bye!